Alright guys, so I get asked a lot of questions. One of the most common things that I get asked in regards to skincare has to do with how to fade dark spots. This is a very common problem that even I struggle with. I mean, I guess I don't really struggle with it. It's not really a struggle. And I thought, you know, good time to address this issue and I don't know, maybe give you guys a couple of helpful tips. Now these are 5 essential oils that you can use to reverse hyperpigmentation, fade dark spots, brighten skin, kind of all of that stuff sort of falls under the same category. Ideally, we're just trying to lighten the skin tone and make it even and, you know, like it hasn't been damaged by the world. Like, there are lots of different ways that you can use these essential oils. Pick your favorite. The easiest way for me is just to add a couple drops to a face oil. You can use something like the face oil that I make. It's a blend of jojoba and argan oils with a little bit of rose hips and frankincense, which by the way, is good for lightening age spots. So you can just add a couple drops to a face oil that you're already using, or you can find a lot of oils at the store that are good for your skin actually. Jojoba and argan, again, are oils that I use, and a lot of times you can find those at the grocery store or natural food stores or Target. You could also try apricot seed oil, safflower oil. There are all kinds of oils that are great for skin. You do want to remember that a high concentration of essential oils can cause sensitivity and irritation, so you don't want to put too much. For one application, I would recommend just a couple of drops of whatever essential oil that you're going to be using. That's enough. You don't really need to use more than that. There's not really a point to using more than that. It will be effective and you won't damage your skin, so just do that. You can either pick oils that you want to work with and add those straight into your bottle so that they're already in there ready to go every time you want to use your face oil, or you can add them per application. So just put a little bit of the oil in your hands, a couple of drops of the essential oil, mix it up and apply to your face. Even if you want to just use this as a spot treatment and just put it on specific parts of your face, you can do that as well. All right, so these are 5 essential oils that I would recommend to fade dark spots. Lemon essential oil, but you do want to remember that lemon essential oil and citrus oils can cause photosensitivity. I pronounce that so clearly. They can cause photosensitivity, which means your skin is just a little bit more likely to be damaged by the sun if you're heavily exposed to it. So it's best to use citrus oils at night just to prevent any photosensitivity. Bergamot. Bergamot has a wonderful smell. It's kind of orangey, and bergamot essential oil is actually said to help even out skin tone by regulating melatonin. So pretty cool. Both of those oils, like I said, can cause a little sensitivity to sunlight. So just try to remember to use those oils at night if possible. Carrot seed oil is another very popular face oil. You will see it a lot in skincare products. Carrot seed oil does take quite a lot of carrot seeds to actually produce. It can be a little bit more expensive than some other essential oils, but it is a very good oil to use. Sandalwood is actually highly recommended to fade dark spots, and sandalwood oil has been used for thousands of years. I can never talk as soon as I turn on the camera. Sandalwood oil has been used for thousands of years for all kinds of skin conditions. And the last oil that I kind of already mentioned is frankincense. So kind of another ancient oil, been used for thousands of years, but is said to help fade dark spots. It has a lot of anti-aging benefits. A lot of these essential oils also have anti-inflammatory properties, so another very good oil to use on your skin. Now these are definitely not the only oils that you can use to fade dark spots, and they're not the only things that you can use to fade dark spots. And if you would like more information on all of that, you can head on over to my blog on simplecareproducts.com/blog, or you can just find it from the home screen. You can look in the blog, or there is a blog archives page underneath the blog tab, and there is a search box there where you can search if you are looking for something specific. So know if you would like to know what other ingredients, oils, treatments, things that you can use for dark spots, go ahead and check my blog. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. As always, you guys can find me over on Instagram at SimpleCareSteph. Guess that's it. Please like this video if you liked it, if this was helpful for you, or if, I don't know, if you just feel like being nice today. It really does help me to know what you guys like to see, what you don't like to see, what information you are interested in, because otherwise I don't have any way to know. And subscribe if you want to see updates from me in the future. Remember to turn on notifications, I guess, because everything is just getting so complicated now. I hope that this was helpful for you, and I will see you guys in the next video, whatever the heck that's going to be. Say bye. Oh, bye.